So okay, let's open Putty for today's class. So these are all the commands okay, we have discussed it on yesterday. The couple of commands okay, we have discussed. So VI and okay, date and okay, cal as well. So date is one of the very important command. So with the help of okay, date command, so what we can able to okay, do it is we can able to by default okay, date command displays okay, system date and time. So if you want to extract a specific details from okay, date, a specific details from a date, then okay, we need to okay, learn about okay, specific options. So now let's okay, execute okay, one by one. So date. So by default, okay, date shows. So the first is okay, Friday. Today's date is today is okay, Friday. Okay, June 6th. Okay, then this is the okay, time. This is that okay, time zone and okay, year. This is time zone and okay, year. So this is the okay, format. This is the format of okay, date. Whereas date is the only command we use percentage symbol. So plus and okay, percentage symbol okay, to access the. I mean, as of now, for every command we are having options, right? So we use okay, hyphen symbol. So yeah, as part of date command, okay, we use okay, plus symbol okay, to okay, plus symbol okay, to okay, access the I mean to invoke the behavior of a okay, behavior of its okay, options. So by default it's simple straightforward, just date okay, okay, date. So once we execute this date command, so these are all the okay, these are all the options what you are having, you need to be okay, learn. These are the options we are having, we need to okay, learn. So first, okay, we'll try to okay, learn about okay, one by one. Then after that, okay, we'll okay, discuss okay, slowly. So maybe today we might have to spend okay, long time on okay, here only. So because this is one of the okay, important command. So where you need to be okay, discuss. So as part of okay, this as part of okay, date command. So if you use this okay, date percentage of a, so date okay, plus. So for every command as of now we use okay, hyphen. This is the only command we are going to use the okay, plus symbol. This is the only command we are going to use the okay, plus symbol. So plus percentage of okay, a plus percentage of okay, a. So what percentage of okay, a does is, so with help of percentage of a we can able to access. So from the date command we can able to access the first field. I mean it's not a first field. So from the date we are able to access the day in a shorter form. If you try to okay, use so percentage of capital a date okay, okay, a day okay, in full abbreviated form. If you want we can also use hyphen as a delimiter. We can also use the hyphen as a delimiter. And okay, we can also okay, use okay, we can also use okay, instead of hyphen space also we can use. So not space doesn't consider. So either hyphen we can also use the as a this one, or we can also use underscore, hyphen or underscore, we can use it as a differentiator. And so for example a capital A and underscore percentage of okay, percentage of okay, b. So percentage of okay, b and okay, b. So let's see that okay, June. Okay, b is going to get okay, by using, so with help of okay, b we are going to get the, so a is to get the day, b uses to get the okay, month. Small a and small b. Small a means abbreviated, capital A means okay, full. Similarly small b means abbreviated, capital B means okay, full. Then hyphen, so underscore percentage of okay, c, percentage of okay, c. So percentage of c and okay, the output of date both are okay, same, Friday June 19 a.m. ist. So by default date command contains an option called percentage of okay, c, percentage of okay, c. So if you go with a capital C, so if you go with the capital C, so you will only get okay, I mean okay, you will only get. So what is the options of okay, capital C here? Century. So we are in okay, which century? Currently we are in 20th century, right? So it displayed as a okay, century. Now similarly, so if you go with okay, I mean okay, if you go with okay, percentage of okay, D, small d. So okay, d means okay day. Today's day is okay 6, and okay hyphen underscore okay percentage of okay capital D. So percentage of capital D, it will display the output of okay percentage of capital D. What it does means it will display the date, month, okay year in okay DD, MM, YY format in forward slashes. And okay, if you go with okay D is over, and so okay, we're also okay, having that okay e, for example okay, if you go with okay, underscore percentage of okay e, so okay e means again okay, abbreviated okay day, and percentage of okay capital E. So percentage of capital E, we don't have any okay options. So if you go with okay F, so F will try to okay display the, so we have to remember okay, all these options. F will display the output of, see there is a differentiation of F and okay F and so okay, percentage of okay C. So now percentage of C, if you go with okay C, okay D, right. If you go with okay D, and okay if you go with okay F, there is a okay differentiation, there is a so differentiation. So if you go with okay percentage of capital D, the output will display on DD, MM, okay YY format only. If you go with percentage of capital F, it's a F means okay full. So okay YYY, MM and okay DD, YYY, MM and DD, so full date. So, okay, last two digits of year. For example, if you want to get last two digits of year, we can use this okay G. G means to get the last okay two digits of okay year. And okay, if you want to extract the hour, so okay, I mean if you want to okay, extract that okay H, so okay H means okay, I mean so for example okay if you go okay if you want to extract if you want to extract okay only D, so okay, we know that okay D, right, okay D. And okay, we can also okay use okay percentage of okay DD, okay then okay percentage of okay DD. And okay we can also okay use okay we can also use percentage of okay triple D. So all this will be, I mean if you want to display the output in okay different formats, okay then okay we go with okay D. So D means mainly to display the, so with help of okay D we can able to display the okay day, okay we can able to display the okay day of the okay month. So day of the okay month. So E means okay day of the month, space added, okay so the same thing. And if you go with okay H, so this is also okay same. And okay okay hour means okay hours, if you want to extract okay hours, minutes and okay seconds, so how do we extract that okay hours, capital H. If you want to extract the okay minutes, capital M. And if you want to extract the S, capital S means okay capital S means okay hours, minutes and okay seconds. So hours, minutes and okay seconds. And okay, if you want to okay display that okay Julian day, so yesterday we have seen that cal. If you go if you exit cal hyphen J, we are getting that okay Julian date, right? So similarly, date hyphen percentage of okay percentage of capital J. So okay okay I mean okay plus percentage of capital J. So J means okay Julian date. So we are going to get as a 150 okay 7. 157 is the okay Julian date. And the K means okay however the space is added. For example, if you go with okay K, so the output will be displayed on okay the okay will be, so okay there will be okay okay there will be a so pad. So okay before that there is a extra space, right? So similarly, so okay this we have to be discussed very carefully. Percentage of okay yes. So what percentage of yes? What is we are doing with Brahma? We are playing. So for example, okay, if you go with okay percentage of okay yes, so for okay, if you go with percentage of yes, it will display okay. For example, if you go with okay percentage of yes, it will display the output of okay date. Okay, it will display the output of okay date, seconds. Okay, since 1970 0101. Okay, for example, from this date, what is the current second? So with the moment when I execute this command, if you see this one, the output will keep on changes. The output will be okay keep on changes. So 98, okay, for example if you execute milliseconds, so the output will be keep on okay changes. What do you mean by this one? So from this date, okay, from this date 1970 0101, okay, from this date, what is the epoch value? So what is the epoch value? So okay, with this is the only option in Unix to get the epoch date of a system. So epoch date of a system, date. So plus percentage of yes. So with the help of date percentage of yes, we can able to get the epoch value. We can able to get the epoch value. So whereas, so if you want to by default the epoch value is so 10 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10, 7 8 9 8 10. So even we can also provide input as epoch date, and we can get that exact date. So I mean, for example, if you run this percentage of yes, it is going to say that, so this is the epoch value, this is the this is the epoch value, so beginning from 1970 okay, from date, that date. So we are trying to say simply, so if you execute j command, we are going to get the Julian date, right? So out of 1 to 365, what is the today's date? It's going to say. Similarly, if you go with percentage of small s, from that day onwards to till second, what is the number? So what is the number we are going to get? That we are going to get by using this percentage of n, percentage of n. And so for example, if you want to display that seconds, the similarly the same. So for example, if you go with the capital T, what it does, capital T, so it will display, so hour, mean, I mean hours, minutes and seconds. T means it will display the hours, minutes and seconds. For example, if you go with T and backward slash n, and percentage of percentage of percentage of there is another option, percentage of so if you go with this option, so if you go with this percentage of f, percentage of f, so you will get, so for example, you are going to get, so date and for example, we can also, so segregate, I mean we can keep it in double quotations. So if you are going to keep it in double quotations, so if you are going to keep it in double quotations, we can also invoke this we can also invoke this special behaviors. So this way we are trying to display that date and first date and then how minutes and hours. So percentage of yes we discuss. So time, same as this one. So if you want to display the day of the week, so we can also use this percentage of u, percentage of u. So percentage of u means, so what it does, with help of percentage of u we can able to get the abbreviated day of the week. So by default first is the Monday, and percentage of u means week number. So we are going to get the week number, and out of 0 to 52, sorry, 1 to 52, what is the week number, we are going to get it. And if you want to get that ISO week number, these are all same, only 023 we are going to get it. So this is day of the week, so weekday of the year, so these are all same, so year. So if you want to get year, we can able to get this year as well. And the remaining things are same, the remaining things are same. So this is how we can able to get. So if you want to extract a specific date from if you want to extract specific date, we can able to get by using this dates. So if you want to extract either any format, so we are having an option. So if I mean, it's not necessary that you should remember everything. So you just remember about what is the plus symbol does, and what is the percentage. So if you are able to as part of shell programs, we use this one. So as part of shell programs, we use this options, we use this. So options. So any doubts on here? So if you go percentage of yes, so any doubts? So let me know if you're having any doubts. Yeah, go ahead and let me know if you're having any doubts. Okay. Now, so for example, so if you want to take okay user defined date, for example, if you want to take the user defined date, we have to use hyphen d options. For example, okay, if you want to pass so okay, if you want to pass any user defined date, then okay, we have to use hyphen okay d. So display the time described by string, not now. So which means that so display the described by okay string, not now. By default, date command will take the input as current date and time, which is now. Whereas if you want to pass, so if you want to pass any user defined date, so we have to use okay hyphen okay d. So okay hyphen d. So 2024. So 2024. So okay 01 hyphen 01. So okay 0101. So we are going to get the same thing. So Monday. So Jan 1. So 0000 we are going to get it. So for example, okay, for the same date, if you want to display that, okay, if you want to display that okay, epoch date, so we can also use this plus percentage of okay yes plus percentage of okay yes. So even from here also we can able to get, so if you want to get, okay, if you want to extract only the year, we can able to extract. The remaining options are as it is. The only okay, the only way is, so if you want to okay, if you want to okay, if you want to okay pass any user defined dates, so for that okay we go with okay we go with okay that okay option. So that is the so okay intent of okay that is the okay intent of okay hyphen D option. So D option is one of the so very okay important, where if you want to pass okay where if you want to pass the date, and if you want to okay either calculate the differences and all, we can able to get it. So even okay, if you want to get the okay differences between okay two dates, okay two dates. For example, if you want to pass, okay, if you want to okay pass I mean, so assume that okay you are going to okay pass input as 2024 0101. Now you want to identify that. So what is that okay difference between okay that day to today's date, that day to so today's date. So even okay even on such scenarios also. So okay we go with okay even such scenarios also we go with this in those scenarios we use this one date hyphen d. So first what we'll do, first we'll pass it as okay d1 is equals to, so okay, first okay we'll pass okay d1 is equals to okay the same way. For example okay d1 okay is equals to, so we'll pass okay some dates. For example okay here 2024 0101. So okay 10 colon 10 colon, for example okay 10 colon 10 colon okay 10. So this is the okay date one. So we are going to pass it as this as a date one. Similarly, okay, day two. So if similarly the so day two. So for example, okay, day two is equals to 2000 okay 20 okay 5 hyphen 01. So okay hyphen okay 01 okay hyphen okay 01 hyphen 01. So if you want to get the differentiation between these two, then okay we can use this okay I mean so okay in this case, so what we do, so we have to use this okay percentage of okay yes. So even during that scenarios okay I mean since I we didn't discuss about we didn't discuss about the mathematical operations how to do that. So I don't think so that okay we can able to understand. But okay here, so okay what we need to do, so we need to, so for example so the same one, so how we can able to do it is, so okay d1. So for example okay d1, so this is your date, right? So from this date, so okay, if you want to okay extract, for example, okay here echo, so dollar okay d1. So as part of okay shell programs, okay I will explain. So okay here it will be somewhat little bit difficult. So once you learn about so once we learn a little bit knowledge on shell scripting, then okay we can able to okay understand. So even a date command can also take input as okay date hyphen d. So okay now. So now means okay here. Now plus okay 10 minutes. So next 10 minutes options. So now plus okay 10 minutes. So this way also okay, we can able to. So okay now plus okay think now plus okay 10 minutes. So basically yeah that a batch command okay we're having, see now plus 10 minutes. So from now what are the 10 minutes? So now plus okay now okay 10 days. So from here, so okay 10 days. For example, if you go okay if you use okay minus, so okay 10 days okay back. So 10 days back also it will consider. So if you want to pass it as okay date hyphen d, So now minus, okay, 1 hour. So now minus, okay, 1 hour. So we can able to see that 1 hour back. What is the timing? Now it is okay 9:54, right? It will show it as 8:54. So we can also pass input as a hour, month, date. Those inputs also we can able to okay pass it. Can also okay pass it. So any doubts on okay here? So now, so the same option, for example, so as I mentioned, okay, date hyphen D. So date, okay, plus okay, percentage of okay, yes. So if you go with okay, percentage of yes, it will display the so system okay, epoch date and time, right, from 1970s to till date. Whereas, so you okay, here we are going to get the epoch value with respect to the seconds. Whereas if you want to okay, if you want to get the okay, if you want to get okay, a full fraction of seconds, then okay, we have to use percentage of okay n. So percentage of okay n. So this is the full fraction of okay seconds. So if you run any time, this value will never okay. The if you run continuously also, okay, the value okay, the values will not be the same. The values will not be the okay same. So at any point of time. So percentage of n means to get the so what is the meaning of percentage of okay n here? So okay, we might have seen somewhere okay n nanoseconds. If you want to get the nanoseconds, then we go with percentage of okay. Then we go with okay okay. If you want to get a nanoseconds, so okay. I mean it should be followed by okay okay. I mean only the nanoseconds you will get it. So if you want to get okay, I mean if you want to get okay, seconds followed by that okay nanoseconds, both we can able to so use okay together. Any okay any further doubts? Okay. Okay, this is about the okay, date command. So as part of the date command, so as part of shell scripting, majority of the places okay we'll see, but simple date command is used to display the date and time. Even we're also having an option to extract okay specific okay field or together of okay. I mean based on okay your format, we can okay based on your format we can able to get the data. Based on your format we can able to get the okay data by using the circuit date command. That is the straightforward by using the circuit date command. Okay. Now, so even cal also okay, straightforward. So we are learn about this cal command, and okay, even we learn about cal and okay, even date and okay, even okay, VA editor. So we are clear on that. So and even set also. Set is also one of the important command. That's what okay, we have discussed it on so yesterday. So today, what we do is, so we will try to okay learn about okay, an important command called okay find. Important command called okay find. So find is a command. So find is a command. For example, look in Windows. For example, in Windows. So if you want to find something, for example, what is the meaning of okay here? This is a search symbol. For example, if I mention okay here, so if I mention something called okay here, the entire directory it will try to check whether there is an item okay with okay this name. If there is an item okay with this name, or if you want, so if you want to search from okay only this folder, even from okay this folder also we can able to okay search it. So okay if you want to search globally, so we can also okay search okay, for example okay if we mention okay c colon, so whichever the way you want we can able to search the file for okay we can able to search the okay file. Similarly, so similarly in Unix we are having a command called okay find. We are having a command called okay find. So general I mean in Windows, if you use the, okay if you go with the find command, we don't have a much options on okay find. So we don't have a much options on okay here okay find. So just directly go there and okay search it, nothing much. Whereas if you go with okay Unix, as you know that what are the file properties. For example, if you go with okay stat, so if you go with the stat command, So these are all file properties, right? Okay, file name. This is a file name, size, and okay, even access. So okay, these are the permissions, owner permission, group permissions, others. This is the mode of a permissions, and this is the UID. This is GID, and okay, this is access time, modified time, change time, and the encoded time, and okay, even okay, we can also see these many properties, right? So the find command allows us to search a file either by using either by using the owner of the file, either by using the group of the file, either size, and okay, modified date, access date, change date, and a file name, and whatnot, inode numbers, and okay, soft links, okay, size, and okay, there are many options. Okay, we can able to achieve it, okay, by using with okay, find command, by using with the find command. So find is one of the very important command. So we use it okay, heavily as part of okay, day-to-day operations, okay, okay, as part of day-to-day operations. So the syntax of okay, find is, so okay, the syntax of okay, find is, so okay, the syntax of find is okay, find directory, directory name. So okay, directory name, options. So okay, options, options and okay, operations. Find directory name, options and operations. So by default, directory name we can pass three types. Okay, I mean directory name we can pass it as three ways. One is okay, dot, okay, then dot, forward slash, and okay, full path, path forward slash, and okay, full path. So full path means, so for example, okay, home by okay, ram by okay, India. This way also we can able to pass it. So by default, the find command, we if we use the dot, dot represents the current directory that we already know about. Dot represents the current directory. Forward slash represents okay, root directory. Forward slash represents okay, root directory. And okay, this is a exact path. It's a exact okay, path. This is the exact okay, path. Dot represents the current directory. Forward slash represents the root directory, and this represents the exact path. This represents exact okay, path. Now the options of okay, find commands are, there are lot many options on okay, find command. This is the maximum. This is the command where we are going to see majority of options. The way how we are having it on ls command and grep command. Similarly, we will be having a similar kind of options for okay, find as well. So just find hyphen hyphen okay, help. So as I said that, so as I said, so with the help of find command, so we can able to identify the files. So by using the access minute and okay, okay, change minute. So as you know that okay, if you execute the stat command, so if you execute the stat command, so we're having a date and we're also having a time. So we can able to search the files by using that access date and access minutes, modified date, modified minutes, change date, and change minutes, and even with okay, permissions, even with file name, even with okay, size, and even with inode number, everything we can able to so allow it. That's why so we're having okay, here. So okay, here we're having a hyphen a time, access time, minutes, and okay, newer file hyphen c new minutes, newly what they have created. And if you go with hyphen empty, it will display the empty files. And if you go with okay, false, it will be okay, ignore that. And okay, links, and okay, l name, okay, hyphen m minute, name, and okay, newer. So whatnot, many options okay, we're having an okay, here. So and okay, even so as part of okay, operations. So okay, these are the option operations. So we're also having a max depth that okay, we'll try to discuss okay, one by one. That we'll try to discuss the, so one by one. So first we'll go on okay, first we'll be under okay, root, and will be an okay, root. So under the root, so if I execute okay, for example, if I execute ls hyphen l capital R T, so what it will display? It will display the entire file names and directory names recursive order, right? If you want to get the same behavior by using this okay, find forward slash, so forward slash means root, that also currently which locations we are there, we are in okay, root, okay, we are in root. So if you press okay, if you use okay, find okay, dot or find forward slash, both are okay, same, find forward slash, both are same. So if you execute okay, dot, the entire thing you are going to get it, the entire thing you are going to so get. So the entire thing you are going to get. For example, if you execute okay, ls hyphen capital R, this will also does the same thing, right? Similarly, the same ones. 1 minute, just a minute. So So if you want to get the list of files or directories recursively in a current directory, just execute find without of anything also. So without of any, if you just execute the find, it will display the list of files or directories recursively from current directory to the to that to the to that end. So for example, if you're having a tree, now okay, we are at okay, root position. So from that root, you are trying to okay, execute the find command. So it will try to display everything. So whereas if you go with okay, if you go with okay, find command, the same find command, if I use okay max depth, for example, if I use okay max, okay, if I use okay max okay depth depth is equals to okay 2, so it will display only the, so for example okay hyphen max depth, so 1. So if you use this okay max depth, yeah, so if you go with okay max depth, so max hyphen okay depth, so a single hyphen only max hyphen depth, so you will get that okay, you will get, so okay, you will get that okay, file details, you will get the content of a I mean okay, it will only display the details from current directories, it will display the details from the so current directory. So okay max depth fine. So okay, hyphen max depth okay 1. So in this case, it will only display okay, the okay, will get output on. So it will display the okay, output okay, from current okay, current okay, from the current location. If you use okay 2, we can able to see that. So you got the details of okay, you, I mean for example earlier what happened, if when you run this okay, when you run this okay 1, only the current directory whatever. So if you go with okay 2, inside this whatever is having, it is trying to display only the 2 levels. So for example, if you take this one, everything on okay 2 levels. If you go with okay hyphen max depth okay 3 levels. If you go with okay 4 okay 4 levels. Okay 5 levels, which means that we can able to see that okay, this is a level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 and okay level 5. If you use okay 6, so there will be a okay 6 levels that it will try to okay show you. There will be, if there are any 6 levels, we need to be identify. We need to be identify those okay 6 levels. So that is the okay, intent of hyphen okay, okay, that is the intent of max depth. Similarly, we're also having a minimum depth. Okay, minimum depth. So for example, if you go with okay 1, so from okay first to okay when, so from first to when, it will try to display that okay minimum, but we don't use this okay minimum. Majority of the times we use the max depth. So now, so if you are trying to okay, we learn about okay two options. One is okay find. So if you are trying to use the dot current directory, so if you are trying to use that forward slash okay root directory, for example, if I specify okay find okay forward slash okay home by ram, so from the home by ram okay, we'll try to okay display, we'll try to okay display. Now, what we'll do is let's go to okay home by RAM. So from the current okay, I mean okay from this okay, okay from this okay output, I want to display only files. I want to display only okay files. So in this case, we have to use the, there is an option called okay hyphen type. So for the hyphen type, we can able to, you know that file types, right? We are having a B means block special files, D means directory, and okay, F means file, C means character special file. The, like that, okay, we are able to get it right. Hyphen type F means, so only the okay, only file names okay will get it. So if you go with okay hyphen okay max depth, so max depth okay 1. So from the current directory, so okay from the current directory, so whatever that okay hyphen okay so okay we'll only get the, so okay we'll only get okay for example if you go with okay find, so okay hyphen okay max okay depth okay 1. So okay hyphen okay max depth 1. So the intent of okay hyphen type F means it will only okay display, so it will only okay display, so okay it will only okay display only the files information from current directory, whatever the files are available, only those details it will be displayed. Whereas okay, if you go with okay type okay D, it will display the, so it will display okay it will display only directories, it will only display the only okay directories. So for example, okay, if you go with okay again okay hyphen, so okay max okay depth, so max depth. So from the current directory only we are trying to okay get it. We are trying to so get it. So now, so okay, for example, okay, if you specify, so for example, if you specify okay C, it will display the character special files. If you display okay D directories, if you display the okay B, so okay block special files. Like that, okay, we can able to okay get it. So that is the meaning of hyphen type. So with help of okay hyphen type, so we can able to filter the, so okay, we can able to okay filter the okay we can able to okay filter, so okay we can able to okay filter so okay, we can able to okay filter what we can able to okay filter. So we can able to filter okay file. Okay, we can able to filter the okay files. Whether if you want to display the only the files, we can get it. If you want to get the directories, directories. If it is okay character files, character. So the first option is hyphen okay type. The next option is okay hyphen name. Then okay hyphen okay size. Hyphen m time. Hyphen okay c time. Hyphen okay a time. Hyphen okay c minutes. Okay c min. Hyphen m minutes. Hyphen okay a minutes. Hyphen okay links. Hyphen okay owner. Hyphen okay group. Okay hyphen okay permissions. Hyphen okay inode. 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 Okay inode. So first we'll try to do this. So inode one. So how the inode is going to work it? For example, I'm going to create okay ln. I'm going to create okay test okay test ln. Sorry. So if you go with okay ln, so for example, okay here I'm going to keep it as okay ln. So again okay ln1. So you know that okay this is the syntax of okay hard link. This syntax of so hard link. So now how do we get that okay ls hyphen li inode number of this guy? So we can able to get the inode number by using this way, right? So if you want to get, so go find hyphen, so inode inode, so they enter. So okay, I mean find okay hyphen help grep hyphen I. So with help of okay inode, so what we can able to get is we can able to display the files okay based on the inode number. So I think hyphen okay that's fine. So hyphen inode okay we'll discuss. I will tell you later. So hyphen type means to display the file types. What are the sub options of hyphen type? We'll have a F and we have a D and we have a C and we have a L. L means okay soft link files, and this way we can able to get it. So okay, hyphen type. So hyphen name means we can able to search by using the okay names, by using the okay name. So find, so okay dot hyphen okay find dot okay hyphen type F, so hyphen name, so okay hyphen name. For example, if you mention okay characters dot okay star, we can also use the special characters. So with these characters, these many files are okay available. So current directory, so okay tar underscore test 123 and okay test underscore okay in these three folders, this directory okay this file is okay available on these three files. So on these three locations, this file is okay located. So similarly, so if you go with okay, I mean two question marks. So wherever we're having a two digits okay length, okay, I mean the length of the file name is two digits. You will okay, it will display okay those lines. So any doubts on okay here? Simply, so with help of find command, we can able to identify the files based on the file properties. Based on the file properties, either from current directory or from the root directory or from a specified directory. So what are all the options we are having and find command? So we are also having the So hyphen type, hyphen name, okay, we have discussed. Now, so we'll discuss about okay hyphen okay size. So if you want to get the files by using by using a size, what we can do is hyphen type f hyphen size. So plus okay 10 M. So for example, okay, it will try to display the files which are more than 1 MB. Whatever the files are available on more than 1 MB, so you will able to get okay by using this okay plus symbol. So the size are okay hyphen m time a time we're having a plus and okay plus okay plus symbol and minus symbol. So plus symbol means okay I mean more than okay 1 MB. So for example okay if you try to use okay only 1 MB, so all these are so like okay size of okay 1. Whereas if you use okay minus 1 MB, so less than okay 1. So if you use okay plus, so only that okay plus okay I mean more than okay 1 MB whatever the files are available, it will display those details. Plus means more than the specified value, and okay, minus means less than that. Without a plus or minus means exact. Without a plus or minus means exact. Exactly we'll try to okay get it. So K means so okay size okay plus surplus okay 1K, so more than okay size we can able to get. You know about already K means kilobytes, M means megabytes, G means gigabytes, and okay we do have a options according we can able to okay get it. That is the meaning of okay hyphen okay size. Similarly, so if you want to get, so similarly, so if you want to get the files which are okay modified, so which are modified okay more than okay 10 days, then okay find, so forward slash hyphen okay type okay f, so hyphen okay m time, so okay plus 10, which means that more than 10 days whatever the files are okay modified, whatever the files are okay modified, all those files it will be okay displayed. Whereas if you go with okay if you go with okay minus, okay if you go with minus less than that, so if you go with okay 10, exactly 10 days, exactly, so 10 days we can able to see the okay differences. We can also see the, so what is the output of this guy 150. So if you go with okay if you go with okay this way, you will get 29073. And okay if we are going to okay get okay plus, so okay, if we are going to use the plus, so 22572. So the output is okay changing. The options are same. Hyphen m time means modified time, c time is created time, a time is access time. So if you want to get that details from minutes, then okay c minutes. So okay I mean, so the time will be considered, the time will be considered the hours. That okay I mean okay the by default is okay for okay above, by default okay by default okay by default it calculate time okay time on hourly okay basis. So if you want to get, so now if you want to perform the operations on minutes less than 60 minutes and all, then we can use like hyphen c minutes, hyphen okay m minute, hyphen okay a minute. So this is basically an okay minutes. So for example, okay, if you want to get the files by using the owner, so for example, okay, find forward slash, okay, hyphen type f, hyphen, okay, owner, OW, okay, NER, owner, hyphen owner, okay, RAM. So wherever, okay, whichever the files which are having an, okay, owner, so okay, we can able to get by using this, find hyphen, okay, help, we can able to get the, so okay here these are the okay, options what we can okay use it. So hyphen empty means with help of hyphen empty what we can do is, so with help of hyphen empty we can able to get all the empty files, all these are the empty files. If you want to get that okay empty files, so okay we can use this okay this option hyphen okay empty, so hyphen empty to get the empty okay files. So for example, if you want to get from a current directory, just use the dot. So in the current directory dot, all these are the empty okay files. All these are the empty okay files. And okay, similarly, so okay, we're also having okay minutes and all okay we have discussed okay links. So if it is for okay soft links and all okay, it will try to okay display. The remaining things are okay not that much. So let me okay show you on okay system also. I have already captured a couple of things. So hyphen name means match the file names. Hyphen I name is match the files in So if you want to display the file names in a case sensitive, we can go with iname. Iname means ignore case sensitive. Hyphen type means, as I said, that f means file, d directory, l size. The same thing. Modified time in days, modified minutes in modified minutes, access time. So it is 20, it is day. So sorry, it is a, so by default it considered as a day, 24 hours it will be considered. So hyphen user, files owned by the user. Hyphen group, files owned by the group. So permissions empty. So max depth, minimum depth. So hyphen exec, I will tell you how it is going to helpful. That if you want to specify that any conditions and are conditions, we know that these are the conditions, right? What is the intent of and condition? So with help of and condition, we can able to validate two conditions at a time. If you go with o, we can able to validate we can able to validate I mean what is the functionality of and sin and, so 0 0 output will be 0. So here, if you go with and operator, 1 1 means 1. 1 space 0 means 0. 0 space 1 means 0. 0 0 means 0. For example, R means 1 hyphen 1 1, 1 space 0 0. So 1, 0 space 1 space 1, 0 space 0 space 0. What is the meaning of this one? And so and condition 1 and condition 2 both are correct, then only you will get the output. So the rest of the cases you don't get the output. So 0 means for example, R condition, either of one condition is true, so you will get the output. For example, the examples are, so in order to apply, for example, in order to apply any government exams, any government exams, for example, so the government of India, so basically from ISRO or NASA, they have announced some job vacancies. They will clearly says that your qualification should be triple E or ECE, triple E, only triple E, and you should complete you should complete your education so and so year, and so the age should be less than 30, which means that if you are eligible for these three conditions, then only you can able to apply the job. Or some websites they will say that, so if you complete any graduation and you are okay to apply for this job, so which means that, so for in order to apply this job you should be for any graduation, for example post office jobs, or any kind of jobs, teachers, or any group 1 group 2 UPSC, for all of them graduation is mandatory. So either of that, so that is the intent of and are conditions, and are conditions. So here also the couple of examples. So the same. So here we are trying to get the files greater than 10 MB. Greater than 10 MB. File size greater than 10 MB in last 5 days. Hyphen M time 5 days. So if you want to if you want to display that empty files, so we can also use this hyphen empty. If you use hyphen delete, so it will try to delete the, it will try to delete, it will try to delete. So for example, if you use hyphen delete, so it will be deleted. Now if you run the same command, there won't be any empty files, there won't be any empty files now. So if you want to delete these empty files, so we have to pass this option. So if you want to get that files owned by the user called RAM, and and permissions are and permissions are owner of this one, we can minutes. And if you want to get if you want to remove, so hyphen here I will tell you what is the and all. So tomorrow we'll discuss. So not accessed in 60 days, and size is greater than the same thing. So if you want to run a command on matching lines, the same thing hyphen xc. So if you want to back up that, if you want to take a backup, so we can also use this tar command. We can also apply the pipe symbol. So in this case, what it will does, all that files which are ending with .sh, we are going with tar command. So we are going to create a zip file. And if you want to find the symbolic links, we can type find type l. So these are we going able to get the symbolic links. These are the permissions hyphen per, and this is for inode numbers. So, okay, for example, if you want to display that, find the files executable in directory, this one. So these are all the okay, options of okay, these are the options of okay, awk command. So tomorrow, what I will do is okay, there are okay few more okay functionalities on awk, okay, yeah, okay, find command. It doesn't take more than 15 minutes. So we'll finish. Okay, I will also explain about that as well.